Expanded notation breaks up a number into each place value. Write 36 in expanded notation, 3 tenths and 6 ones. 30 plus 6, write 752 in expanded notation, 7 hundredths, 5 tenths and 2 ones. 700 plus 50 plus 2, write 4081 in expanded notation, 4 thousands, 0 hundredths, 8 tenths and 1 one. 4,000 plus 80 plus 1. Expanded notation breaks up a number into each place value.